This week in VR education news, the future of baseball training, soft skills training in VR, and some news from Xpert. Let's hop into it. First of all, we have this interesting article coming from VR Scout showing what professional baseball coaches are now using for VR training. And basically there's this app called Win Reality Baseball on the Meta Quest 2 that allows you to use your controllers or a real bat to train your baseball skills and train against over 600 different pitches when you're batting. And so very interesting to show how we're pushing the limits of physical training in VR and how it's affecting sports. And with professional coaches now using this, I can see how this will soon be used in everywhere from junior leagues all the way up to the MLB, especially because you're able to bring in one-on-one coaches to have conversations with and give you feedback, as well as all the data that you're getting through the application. Then moving along and kind of switching from the hard skills to the soft skills, we have this Unity developer, Tore Knabe, putting out this ChatGPT integration where you're put into a party environment and there's all kinds of avatars that you're able to go and have conversations with, and ChatGPT is integrated into each of these conversations or each of these avatars so that you can have a natural conversation at a party. And I can see how this could be very useful for people with social anxiety or autism or other social tics, where you'll want to go through and practice some of these conversations ahead of time or multiple times to kind of get used to what it would be like to be at a party like this. So I think really interesting tool for those with those social tics or social anxiety to be able to go through and practice this. And then lastly, very excited to announce that this past week we had our firefighting demo at XpertVR Webinar. We had over 300 fire chiefs, captains, and officers invited to the event. Many of them attended live. Others have been watching the recording. And basically we showed off our Search and Rescue 2.0 simulation, where you're able to have 4 firefighters working together with a commander outside, finding victims in a fire and rescuing them. So very excited that we were able to show this off to so many fire departments, and we're already having conversations of launching this at the fire departments that attended right across North America. So it's a very exciting time for XpertVR, as well as the Xpert Xplorer finally being announced and coming out. So we'll see you on the road. Please message below if you'd like us to stop at your institution or department. And if you have any questions about the stories we shared today, please message below as well. See you.